Welcome to Park MGM, your smoke-free oasis right on the Las Vegas Strip. From the moment you arrive, the vibe is relaxed and stylish, with a modern lobby that sets the tone for a more laid-back Vegas experience. Food and drinks? You're covered. Grab a fresh brew at Starbucks or enjoy all-day brunch vibes at Primrose. Craving Italian? Eataly's got wood-fired pizzas, handmade pasta, and a lively market atmosphere. And when it's time for drinks, check out Juniper Cocktail Lounge for creative cocktails, or Mama Rabbit for a bold mezcal and tequila experience. There's also Bavette's, perfect for a classy steakhouse dinner with a hidden speakeasy twist. Now let's head up to the room. We stayed in one of the Stay Well rooms, and you notice the difference right away. The design is sleek and calming, with warm wood tones and soft textures that give it a boutique feel. The bed? Easily one of the most comfortable we've had in Vegas, plush linens, a supportive mattress, and blackout curtains that actually work. Wellness touches are everywhere. There's a high-grade air purifier for cleaner breathing, a vitamin C-infused shower to refresh your skin, and softer, adjustable mood lighting that helps you relax. Even the alarm clock is designed to support better sleep with circadian lighting options, and yes, there are plenty of USB ports and bedside outlets for all your gear. It's a peaceful, rejuvenating space after a day of Vegas energy. When it's time to unwind, or keep the party going, you've got 3 unique pools to choose from. Each one offers its own vibe, and they all come with full-service bars and a live DJ spinning poolside beats. Whether you're lounging under the sun, reserving a cabana with friends, or just jumping in to cool off, the pool deck delivers that perfect balance of energy and relaxation. And if you're looking to stay active, the Park MGM gym is clean, modern, and fully equipped with everything from treadmills to free weights. If you're looking for a relaxed, smoke-free Vegas stay with wellness, great food, and a social pool scene, Park MGM is tough to beat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hotel tours.